How to fix Facebook not loading news feed. In this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly in the open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down the screen and click on storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop, click OK. And what you should do right now guys, you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and update your Facebook if it's not updated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.